Blue Nitro, 3S speed run, crash, repair, new parts, shelf body reveal, and future mock-up. Part 1. Wanted to get Blue Nitro out here on the 3S run. Wanted to see how fast it was on 3S and see if we can get that past that 50 mark. Here we are running over, getting it warmed up very nicely. Getting the steering right. Hopefully everything goes smooth. But I should have known this morning. Something was a little different with Nitro. Setting up the GPS. Making sure everything records this time and actually reads. At 50%, 3S battery, 40 miles per hour, 50% throttle rate. Need to know, ground's uneven over there. See how fast that was. Go ahead and put that on camera. Didn't record. Okay. Start. GPS failed. Okay, let's try that again. We warm now. Yeah, I'm looking back over the footage. I'm not sure when I got 48, if the GPS failed the whole day. Who knows? That's a beautiful shot right there. Had to include it. Somebody's pulling up on behind me. A little interested. Later, comes to find out, there's a dog walking. There's a guy walking his dogs. And his dog was interested, and he was interested. Ooh, getting a little scrubby there. See how fast it was. Still too interesting. 44. There we go, that's the true reading. 44 miles per hour on a 50% throttle rate. Not bad. Let's see how we do on 100. And here's where it goes wrong. Now let's do 100. Let's see what we can do on 100. Dirt patch. Did not see that. Rough terrain. Rough terrain again. Oh, starting to spin out. Every time I get it up to that 100, it spin out on me now. Let's move back down to 75. Adjusting the steering a little bit. Hopefully that helps. And there we go with the dogs. Running very smoothly. Just trying to make sure that straight line works. Hopefully we can keep it up and not wreck it.
That's like barely touching
You get a little squirrely whenever I give it too much power. On the 3S at a 75 or 100% throttle rate. Every time I touch it, it starts squirreling.
75%.
46
miles per hour.
moving up. 46 miles per hour.
Let's see. Start one more time. See if we can get that 100 now. Beat that record of 50.
Let's see if we can clip 50 on this. Back to 100. Whoop!
Yeah.
Let's do that again.
Yeah.
Run it back. Skip it. Oh, look at our wing. Look at our
We
wing.
lost our wing. Our wing is no more. Yeah.
Completely broken
Good
off.
times. Look at that. Let's see. Lost our wing. It's completely gone. Let me go see if I can find the part. Car is still fine, still runs. Definitely part we're missing.
Whoa.
Oh, we lost our.
Now here, we're live.
So let's see what 3S top speed we was able to get. 46 still the top. 48 still the top. Okay. Got some work to do.
48 still the top.
Alright, to the next video.
Next time, Blue Nitro, 3S speed run, crash, repair, new parts, shelf body reveal, and future mock-up, part 2. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and check out the playlist.